Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Knowledge. This video is about Rare Stamps Value Guide. Trieste Zone A 1952-25L Venice Art Exhibition Triple Overprint. Bottom sheet margin single. Only one sheet of 60 stamp was printed. Now Italy 1924 50 cent violet with Tagliocozzo advertising label. Mint and attractive color. Scott number 105 I Sezzoni FB17. Italy 1924 50 cent Bibliod Circolenti Milano franchise stamp. Mint and center to bottom right but clear margins. Sezzoni F16. USA 1862 2 cent black printed on both sides, inverted on back. San Francisco double ring CDS and reverse shows parts of two stamps. AMG Trieste Zone A 1952 50 cent blue violet inverted overprint and top label of the adjoining stamp in the bottom margin. Only 50 were printed. Hawaii 2 cent dark blue on bluish paper, plate 5B type 4 position 4 with broken toe in 2, full margins and just into frame line at bottom right. USA 1851 3 cent dull red unofficial perforation 12 and a half of Chicago. Scissors separated at the bottom but the intact perforations all around. Solomon Island 1939 2 and a half pence olive green and rose violet top sheet margin vertical pair imperforate horizontally, that is imperforate between and at bottom. Cyrenaica 1927 20 cent purple with Cyrenaica overprint omitted. Need CDS cancel and used examples are especially rare. USA 6 cent ultramarine superb quality example of the most difficult value of 1869 pictorials to find in this premium mint condition. Virgin Island 1899 4 pence chocolate PENCF variety. Well centered, rich color and light road town CDS cancel. USA 1851 10 cent green type 4 position 76 L1 recut at the bottom used single with nice centering and clear margins. Spain 1852 2R pale red used with most large margins all around and a light close at the top, grit cancel and very fine. Canada 1980 17 cent look of the music gold inscription and tagging omitted and also printed on the gummed side. Scarce triple error. Now Russia 1943 60K slate black horizontal pair imperforate between. Well defined impression, large margins. Scott number 896 variety. Trieste Zone A 1951 55L Milan Triennial Art Exhibition. Overprinted at left. Nicely centered, only one sheet of 50 was printed. Russia 1935 3K olive black and violet perforation 11. Horizontal pair imperforate between, never hinged and very fine and rare. Next is Mariana Island 1899 6 cent dark blue original gum. Only 50 examples were printed and this is a rare highlight of the Spanish dominion of the Mariana Islands. Philippines 16 cent olive blister with red Madrid Manila airpost overprint. Usual centering part original gum fine and rare. Only 100 were printed. Russia 1913 2R red brown imperforate marginal pair never hinged jumbo margins intense color very fine. Scott number 102 San Marino 1894 1L light blue mint never hinged attractive color fine Terracini certificate with grade 90%. Scott number 22 Iran 1968 8R and 14R International Tennis Congress prepared but withdrawn and returned to the Central Post Office after the meeting was cancelled. Russia 1905 25K dull green and lilac center inverted, center to right and displaying the design complete. Bold strike of Shitomir CDS. Lombardy Venetia 1858 15S blue rare unused type 1 variety. Well centered vertically and slightly centered to left. Sezzoni number 27. Colombia 1862 50 cent red instead of 20 cent red. Error of transfer type 1. Just clipped at the base and clear to large margins on other sides. Austria 1965 Ferdinand Raymond 3S, very rare brownish violet color error instead of blackish violet brown, flawless and mint condition. Russia 1932 dirigible balloon over Dnipro Dam 15K grey black imperforate marginal block of 4, squad number C25C. Italy 1934 10L blue and black Servizio di Stato, mint never hinged, rich color, small natural gum inclusion but very fine, Scott CO2. Turkey 1867 25P orange, large part original gum, hinge remnant, fresh clean paper, fine and rare, prepared for use but never issued. Mariana Island 1899 5 cent Carmine Rose original gum, center to left, ample to large margins, fresh color on crisp clean paper, Scott number 3. Italy 1924 1L brown and green with Columbia advertising label, center to left, mint and rich colors on fresh paper, Scott number 87D. Hawaii 1 cent light blue on bluish white paper, plate 2A and type 8, position 4, unused, close margins and repaired, Scott number 12. Saint Pierre and Miquelon 1942 5 cent violet and dark brown with France Libre FNFL overprint, center to bottom, 3 large margins and original gum. Papua and New Guinea 1963 pence on half penny, blue green postage due, surcharge in blue with double surcharge error, mint example and slightly center to bottom. AMG Trieste Zone A 1949 50L dark violet brown with double overprint, well centered and fresh, large margins, only 100 were printed. Germany 1912 5 penny green booklet pane of 2 plus 4 labels, well centered, strong fresh color, full perforations and original gum. Now next is Germany 1994 100 fanning living together, orange and yellow color omitted, used with Rodenberg CDS, elusive error and only priced mint. Zanzibar 1908 40R orange, brown and black, deep vibrant color, ample to large margins, well defined impression and nice centering. Canada 8 cent Royal Military College C-tenet horizontal pair with double impression. It has original gum and is very fine, only 75 pairs are known. Germany Airpost 1912 10 Fanning Gotha Erfurt semi-official Airpost choice mint single, brilliantly fresh original gum and well centered. USA 60 cent pink bureau issue newspaper, particularly well centered and full original gum, only 21 certified examples are known. Now Italy 1922 5 to 25 cent victory with black PLP overprints, lightly hinged, typical centering and fine to very fine. Next is USA 90 cent treasury on soft wove paper, rare official with rich color and detailed impression, well centered, expertly regummed, Scott number 0113. Austria 1979 year of the child, missing black brown color with left sheet margin and control number, well centered, flawless and mint. Now this is Russia 1924 3R black, brown and green, perforation 13 and a half and 10. It has original gum and Scott number 292B. Iceland 1873 first issue 2SK ultramarine, perforation 14 and 13 and a half, unused without gum, center to top but ample to large margins. Greenland 1905 1 or olive green, parcel post with perforation 12 and a quarter, well centered, fresh color, very fine, Scott number Q1A. Zanzibar 1913 100R blue and black, brilliantly rich color on crisp white paper, slightly off-centered but nice margins. St. Helena 1961 2.5 cent plus 3p to 10 cent plus 1 shilling, Tristan relief set and each being top sheet margin single. Next is from Italy 1923 50 cent St. Francis vertical pair, imperforate between and selvage at the left, mint example Sazzoni number 133H. New Brunswick 1865 cent brown cornell, rare unissued, scissor separated and perforation on two sides, part original gum, fine appearance, Scott number 5. Mexico 1916 5p carmine and black official, bright fresh color, original gum, well centered, white margins and very fine, Scott O101. Now, Italy 1924 50-cent violet with dental advertising label, stamp overlapping the label, cost by label printed too high. Squad number 105J variety. Hong Kong 1912 $5 red and green on blue-green paper with olive back, watermark multiple crown NCA, original gum and squares. Bolivia 1930 10-cent vermilion and black airpost with brown overprint. Bright color large margins, original gum, only 50 were issued. Iceland 1873 first issue 16 SK yellow, perforation 14 and 13 and a half, original gum perfectly centered, choice mint example. Now these are from Sweden 1920 to 22, 30 ore and 60 ore coils with watermark wavy lines, both with original gum and never hinged condition. Spain Airmail 1950 25P plus 10C, Franco's visit to the Canary Island, first printing without control number, original gum and average centering. Switzerland Geneva 1847, large eagle, 5 cent black on yellow green with red rosette cancel, clear margins and fine condition. Switzerland 1901 standing Helvetia, perforation 11 and a half and 12, 1 franc claret, narrow control mark, original gum and center to top left. Bulgaria Eastern Romelia 1885, line of Bulgaria framed, circular hand stamp on 5P rose and blue, it has original gum. Now USA 1903 3 cent bright violet, original gum, well centered and balanced margins. Post office fresh with PSE certificate, graded extremely fine, superb 95. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.